Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap drones with 4K cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level model or an enthusiast looking for a budget-friendly 4K drone, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the OKYUK drone with a 1080p HD camera. While the resolution is a step down from 4K, this drone compensates with its other features, including a 150-degree adjustable lens and night vision capabilities. The brushless motors provide smooth and stable flight, even in mildly windy conditions, which is a big plus for outdoor enthusiasts. The inclusion of 3 batteries is a standout feature, offering up to 45 minutes of total flight time. The OKYUK drone's design is both practical and stylish. It's lightweight, yet feels sturdy, and the foldable design makes it easy to carry around. The inclusion of a carrying case further enhances its portability. The obstacle avoidance feature works well for beginners, allowing for safer flights even in cluttered environments. However, the camera's 1080p resolution may not satisfy those looking for ultra-detailed 4K footage. This drone is packed with features such as 360-degree flips, trajectory flight, and gesture control, making it versatile for both beginner and intermediate users. While its video quality is not as sharp as 4K models, its overall performance and extended flight time make it a solid choice for those who prioritize functionality and value. Pros include long battery life, reliable obstacle avoidance, and stable flight, while cons include the lower camera resolution and limited app functionality. In the third spot, we have the generic 4K drone with gesture induction. This drone strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. The 4K camera offers excellent clarity for its price, and the 90-degree adjustable lens allows for a decent range of creative shots. Its lightweight design means it doesn't require FAA registration, making it hassle-free to own. The drone is equipped with features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-click takeoff landing. While these are standard for drones in this category, they work seamlessly and make the drone very beginner-friendly. The folding fuselage design and included carrying case add to its portability, making it ideal for travel. However, its lightweight design makes it susceptible to wind, so it's best suited for calm weather conditions. Performance-wise, the generic 4K drone delivers a commendable flying experience with smooth controls and responsive gesture functions. The inclusion of trajectory flight and 360-degree flips adds a fun element to flying. However, its battery life is average, offering around 10 to 15 minutes per charge. Pros include its sharp 4K camera, user-friendly design, and portability, while cons include limited wind resistance and short flight time. At number 2, we have another generic 4K drone, but this one comes with some unique features that set it apart. Its standout feature is the built-in 1080p HD screen on the remote control, which eliminates the need for a smartphone during flights. The camera, paired with the included storage card, ensures you can save footage directly without relying on external devices. The stylish LED lighting makes it perfect for nighttime flights, and its obstacle avoidance feature is incredibly precise, making it one of the most beginner-friendly drones on this list. The brushless motors provide stable flights, even in light wind, and the durable design ensures it can withstand minor crashes. However, the overall build is still lightweight, so it's not the best choice for heavy winds. In terms of functionality, this drone is packed with advanced features like intelligent tracking, surround shooting, and gesture control. The 360 degrees flip functionality adds an extra layer of fun. While the flight time is average, the inclusion of a carrying case and spare blades ensures you're always prepared for your next adventure. Pros include its HD screen remote control, excellent obstacle avoidance, and versatile features, while cons include its lightweight build and slightly shorter battery life. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Tizzy Toy 4K foldable drone. This drone is the most well-rounded option on the list, offering a 4K camera with a 120-degree adjustable lens and a 110-degree wide-angle view. The camera captures stunningly detailed footage, and the ability to view it in real time via the app is a game-changer for content creators and hobbyists alike. The design of the Tizzy Toy drone is both sleek and functional. Its brushless motors ensure quieter, smoother flights with greater wind resistance compared to brushed models. The optical flow positioning adds another layer of stability, making this drone a joy to operate. The inclusion of 2 high-capacity batteries extends the flight time to an impressive 40 minutes, which is among the best in its class. The carrying case, propeller guards, and spare fan blades make it a complete package for travel and gifting. This drone is packed with features like 360-degree flips, gesture control, high-speed rotation, and an electronic fence function for safety. It's suitable for both beginners and skilled pilots, making it highly versatile. Pros include its exceptional camera quality, long battery life, and robust build. The only con is that it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but this adds to its stability in outdoor conditions. Overall, the Tizzy Toy drone is a fantastic value for its price and features, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.